Hi, what's up there all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to work motherboard card. It is industrial Invention Tarot motherboard card. We are part by part repairing it. So let's go to some work this card. Here I measuring the take up unit. It is take up unit. So take up unit enter some parts. Here I checking the rectifier unit. So here rectifier checking, and it is relay, another board. Just I need some relay. This is 14 pins relay, and here two terminal is coil and another 12 terminal is NO and NC contact. So guys, this relay, one relay is many contact working. Just I relay settings in the motherboards, and all cables in joining the motherboard pin. So when the motherboard pin jack is connected, the another parts here follow the one piece take up motor. It is DC 24 volt motor, so it is heavy duty motors. So this motor just fabrics pull down. Now power jack connected, and motors 2-pin jack connected in the motherboard pin jack. So guys, here follow the structure. I working the motherboard repairing all the times. You can try to it working for any motherboards, card, any controllers and another electronics device. If you want to repairing any electronics device, just follow me how do I work another and many electronics device or parts.